of showers may start to pick up here pretty soon. But right now, again, we're just looking at mostly cloudy conditions for us. Outside, temperature-wise, 66 degrees at the moment. Winds are coming out of the south, 14 miles per hour. Dew points, 55 degrees. So we're starting to get, again, more of that moisture being drawn on up. This is just a catalyst for those storms later on today. If we do see a break in the clouds, then that sunshine definitely helps as well. So we'll be watching that for you, especially about midday or so. Temperature-wise across the area, we are waking up to those temps in the low to mid 60s. A couple of upper 60s out there too, but it's 66 right now in Tulsa, 63 in Coffeyville, and 62 for you if you're waking up in Veneta. Again, that cold front just up to the northwest. It's going to sweep through. We'll have a dry line associated with that could be spurring up a couple of those showers and storms. And again, some of those do have the risk of being severe. Now, the main risk, really that bullseye that we'll be watching, is a little bit to the south and east of us, but we're still watching storms that'll move through Tulsa that could be a little bit stronger to severe. Hail and wind are really going to be our main threats here in most of green country. It's more down to the south, up into northeastern Texas, southwestern Arkansas. That's where we could potentially be seeing some tornadic development, but we also can't rule out again an embedded thunder or an embedded tornado or two as well as these storms move through. So of course we'll watch out for you going into the afternoon. So let's future track it. This morning, a few light showers possible by 7:30 a.m. moving into about 10:30. Again, scattered light showers possible. Still seeing cloud coverage, which is good, but if the cloud coverage does start to break away, that sunshine then helps for, again, more of those showers and storms to develop this afternoon. So by 3:30, we're looking at, again, a couple of those showers, those storms potentially moving on through. And again, this is where we could potentially see some of them severe. 76 degrees is the high today. For tomorrow, we're looking for 69, clearing and cool back behind the front. Max?
All right, Kirsten, thank you so much. Time now 5:20.